Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome back to Teaching Methodologies. Friends, today I am going to teach Identity the Challenges of English. Friends, challenges to start the teacher with new skills, ideas and games for the class. Challenges to take advantages of this promo take the kit for children and teacher. To enhance students' engagement and improve English language skills, teacher games very adaptable and can be customized to match any lesson or learning context. Friends, how to overcome the challenges? Every teacher needs adaptable skills. Every teacher needs activity based. Friends, look at here. Every teacher prepare blank blocks, diagrammatics. We need handouts. Activity based. Instructions and learning objects. Describe the pictures in groups. Give handouts, notes facilitator, and answer keys. Give learning objectives. Give participants. Materials required charts, markers, papers. Give every student handouts. Text marks. Friends, these are the material facilitators and divide the participants in groups. Provide the charts with silent letters. Today I am giving the material handout. Notes facilitators. Look at there. Provide the chart with silent letters. Ask the participants to underline the letters which are silent. Here are some letters. Read the letters. Bomb, B-O-M-B, bomb, which is the silent letter. Which is the letters ending with B. What are the silent letters? What are the ending with M silent letters? To identify the students, prepare your handouts and activity based. So I would like to show one more activity. Here, look at here, role play. Friends, read the role play. An ex-student visited his retired primary school teacher after he got a software engineer job. Listen to the conversation being enacted by other participants. Now coming to role play. Teacher and student. Former student. May I come in? Retired teacher. Yes, please. Former student. Good day. Do you recognize me? Retired teacher. Sorry, young man, I do not. Former student. Sir, I am Mohan. I was your student. You taught me English in my primary class. Retired teacher. Oh, is it? Okay. What are you doing now? Former student. I am glad to inform you that I am a financial consultant in an MNC. Retired teacher. Oh, I suppose you studied commerce and economics. Great, congratulations. Former students. This is all because of you, sir. Retired teacher. Oh, me? How? Former student. Yes, you laid a strong language foundation for me. My knowledge of commerce and economics would not have come to any use if my English had not been taken care by you. Many of my friends are still struggling. They are more knowledgeable than me, but their English poses a huge challenge in their path to success. So, friends, did you understand this role play? What about English? So, coming to reading habits, making reading habits. Prepare a handouts like this. Here, I prepare one handout, helping hands. This type. Look at here. And making preparation, reading habits, writing habits. And asked to write a titles. So friends, these are the activities how to overcome the challenges. These are the resources how to overcome the challenges. List out, addressing, go to oversights, word sites, classifications, general grammar, how to learn English. We should away for nativity of student mother tongue. There will be three major functions. Structure, grammar, usage, pronunciation. So friends, this is about teaching methodologies, teaching about overcome challenges, identify the challenges. Teacher needs adaptable skills. So please subscribe, touch bell. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.